In this video, I will show you how to filter emails into folders in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to go right to this search box here, and I want you to click on this button here. Now here, what you can do is you can click on the email that you want to filter out. So let's type this email, and you can decide to click on search. It's going to show you all the emails sent and received to and from this email. Now this in itself is a filter, but you can go ahead and go one step further, and once you click on create label, you can come here to apply to a label and then create a new label for it. So you can say create it so that you can identify it easily, and once you create, it's gonna create a label for you, and you're gonna be able to add these emails to this label or folder. Now that's how you filter emails into folders in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.